burning your bucket.
Oh. Hey guys, Bobby here with Mississippi Gulf Coast Gardener. I know you guys probably wonder where I've been for the last year or so. And what happened was I got switched to night shift at my job last spring, right when I was getting my garden going, and didn't get out to my garden much. It really was life-altering, to say the least. The bottom line is the weeds took over, and between work and family things, I just let it go. I'm embarrassed to say it, and I'm embarrassed to show it, but that's what happens. John Lennon said it best when he said, life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. So without further ado, I'll show you pretty much what I'm talking about. It was a lot worse when it was warm, but this is what happened to my garden. It basically got overgrown and I couldn't do anything about it. So today what we're going to do is try to get rid of some of these weeds. Now, to come out here and do that by hand would be tedious and next to impossible. So what I'm going to try to do is use a propane torch and burn some of this mess. It just rained yesterday, so it shouldn't be too dry, and I'm going to be out here using lots of safety precautions, having the water hose handy and ready to go in case of an emergency. So let's do it. I'm tired of waiting. A lot yesterday, so this grass is pretty wet, so that's why I feel comfortable just burning like that. I'm standing by with the water hose, but if it were dry, you'd have to be super careful. Okay, so you gotta remember this was very wet grass from yesterday's soaking rains, so some of it was hard to burn, but made a huge dent in it. If you look out across, it looks a lot different than it did a while ago. I burnt around the edges of the bed, in between the beds. I'm gonna show you just how wet it is out here. I just step in the ground. You can just see the moisture. So, we burnt all this, and you may be saying, oh, I still see lots of green. Well, I do too. But it's a start. We'll just keep working at it, and if I have to come out here and burn some more, I will. My understanding is that once you burn it, it does die back. So I want to give it a day. I'll come out here tomorrow, see what we're looking at. Even if it doesn't work, I gotta admit, it felt really good to come out here and just incinerate those stupid weeds that have taken over my strawberry bin that I made last year. But look at this. Look at all these seeds from these weeds. They're all over the place by the droves. I wish tomatoes did that, dang. So we still got a lot of work to do out here. Hey, Gert. And one day at a time, right? I'm back on day shift and I'm back in the garden. Okay guys, so it's about 4 days later and I just wanted to come out here and show you what it looks like. I have cut the grass around the beds, but I have not touched the beds since the other day. And this is what they look like. So maybe next time what I'll do is show you what I'm gonna do to get the beds ready. Well guys, it's another year and I'm gonna try to start fresh. I'm sorry for the long wait. Just had to do what I had to do. But as you can see, we're back out here, we're sweating, we're getting nasty, and we're gonna make it happen again. So until next time, happy gardening.